In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to change your Facebook password in just a few simple steps. Changing your password as often as you can is important for keeping your account secure, so it's good to know how to do it. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down a bit and tap Settings and Privacy. And then tap Settings. Once you are on this page, you'll see the Accounts Center at the very top. Tap where it says, See More in Accounts Center. And then scroll down a bit, and tap on the Password and Security option. Now you'll see the Change Password option. Just tap on it. And then tap and select your Facebook account. All you need to do next is type in your current password in this text box. And then type in your new password in this text box. Retype the new password to confirm it. And then tap on the Change Password button at the bottom center to change your Facebook password. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.